earlier.
Hi!
Wow, I need to keep my hands steady.
This is Jess.
So I was going to vlog on Friday night, and then me and Jess were like,
We're tired for this. We're too tired to vlog.
yeah, look, they have searchlights. You can't see that. They have searchlights. Batman! Why am I doing Superman for Batman? Anyway, bonfire night. Technically it's bonfire night last night.
Yeah, but you weren't here last night.
I'm sorry. I am sorry.
You should be.
I should be. So we were off to Alderland Bonfire. I'm going to get run over. We're off to Alderland Bonfire to get run over, apparently. Woo! Woo! So now it's time for the logistical nightmare that is getting 10 teenagers in the same place, in a place they've never been before.
We don't need your money, money.